I think we've all seen the news with the hurricanes hitting the US. People have been without power for days, even weeks, and it gets us thinking, what will happen if we're in those situations? We want solar generators, which are horribly expensive, but we just want something to power our freezers, our furnaces, some lights, even a fan. But what are we going to do? I have the solution for you. And the solution is the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus. We're going to unbox it, show you all the cool things it has, and show how it is your perfect generator for all your needs. Oh, here we go. Exciting. We're going to check it out. Ooh. Look at that. That is beautiful. We also have a box of our essentials. Oop, I see some cords. We have a power cord for the wall, an adapter for the car, and a 12-volt adapter. And all your instruction manuals. Make sure you read through these. First, we have to charge it up. There are 5 different ways you can charge it. This is done using the charging compartment. We're going to open it up, and it slides in. That's super cool. And now you can see here, this one is if you want to charge in your car. This is for the solar panels, and this is for plugging into the walls. With a 1500 watt AC input powered by Xtreme, it charges up to 100% in just 56 minutes. Wow! Now the second way to charge it is with solar panels. Did you know that EcoFlow has the fastest charging time in the whole industry using solar panels? Pretty cool. The third way to charge it is plugging it into your car, perfect for road trips or camping. With an 800 watt alternator, it can charge up to 100% in 1.3 hours. Fantastic! The fourth way to charge it is with a 1500 watt gas generator. It can charge up to 100% in only 56 minutes. And the fifth way to charge it is my favorite, is the hybrid version. You can use the solar panels and plug it into the wall to make it charge up super fast. Now that we know how to charge it, let me show you some of the features. Let's start by turning on. The power button's right here. Now on the screen, you can see there are 3 different things. The input is like how much the solar panels are putting into it, the output, how much charge is being used, and the battery. We're at 65% right now. And you can see we have 4 USBs. You power them with this button here. 2 are USB-Cs, 140 watts, and 2 are fast charge standard USBs. Let's turn those off and turn on the outlets now. You'll notice we have 6 outlets. 3 of them are 2 prongs, and 3 of them are 3 prongs. Underneath the charging compartment, we have some 12-volt jacks. First turn it on, unplug it. This one's for your car. And these down here are 12-volt 3-amp jacks. 2 of them. This is great if you want to plug it into your car or plug in a CPAP machine. Now that you've seen all the outlets on it, we're going to plug a bunch of stuff into it. And we have 5 things we're going to power. First, we're going to turn it on. The first thing we're going to do is a 3-pronged laptop. Now the laptop is using about 20 watts. With a 65% left on the battery, this can run for about 10 hours. The next thing is our standard USB flashlight. It didn't make much of a difference. It's still about 20 watts. Next up is a USB-C, so we can charge our phone. We're at about 30 watts now. Now we'll plug in our 2-prong lamp, taking the output to about 40 watts. And lastly, our sparkly tablet. In total, that's about 50 watts. With a 64% battery, all this can run for about 6 hours. Now my favorite thing is the app. Everything you see on the unit, you can see on the app. And if you look down here, these little orange lines mean there's about 14 watts going to DC and 25 watts going to AC. And of course, we're at 64% for battery. After plugging in the wall, you can see here and here, we have an input about 800 watts. And at this rate, the EcoFlow will be charged up in about 21 minutes. But wait, there's more. I can scroll and I can turn on and off all the devices. We'll turn off the AC. Turn it back on. Cool. Let me show you something else too. If I hit this back arrow, I can see all my EcoFlow devices. Now this EcoFlow can put out 1024 watt hours. And with the AC, it can put out a whopping 1800 watts of power. And Max Power, featured by XBoost, puts out 2600 watts of power, which is great for big devices like my coffee pot. And the most amazing thing is the smart energy management built into the EcoFlow and the app. It features things like storm warnings and if there's a power outage in your area. And that way you're covered if the power goes out. It also has reminders for long-term storage. And with this, you can have custom settings and personalized options like adjusting your charging speed, scheduling power on and off, power saving mode, and low battery alerts. That is super smart. It also has time of use function to show you how much power you're using and to save money. Now another fantastic thing that this has is an uninterruptible power supply, a UPS, with a switchover time of 10 milliseconds. That means that if you're working at your home on your computer and the power goes out, your computer will stay on, which is great if you have to work at home. Now another super cool thing is that it's super quiet. I mean, it's on right now and I can't even hear it. And that's all thanks to the X-Quiet tech of EcoFlow. It's equivalent to about a whisper or a quiet library. Now the best part of all this is that EcoFlow is having a Black Friday sale. You can save up to $4,000 with all your gear, perfect for any disaster. If you want to check it out, check in the description, click on the link, use the code, and save 7% off. Thanks for watching.